Hello everyone. Good morning po sa lahat. So, already 3:46 here in the Midwest. And to all OFWs around the world. Good morning po sa inyong lahat ng mga araw. And sa Pilipinas, good morning. It's already 8:47 in the morning. So, as usual, we are here to study the stock market. So, before that, this is only a disclaimer that here, this discussion, there's no recommendation for buying, recommendation for selling, and recommendation for holding those shares. So it's depend on your trading strategy. Because so-called as risk management. So we need to manage our risk if in case the support will be broken. Here it is only the purpose is only for educational purposes. There is a study here support and resistance. Because as I said several times, support and resistance is very much important in trading in the stock market. So we need to know where is the support and we need to know where is the resistance. If it is resistant area, it means it is the seller's area. If it is the support area, it is the buyer's area. Shout out to my nephew, ACAS. Thank you for your support. So this is why we need to study and master the support and resistance. Because if we do not see the support and resistance, we are blind. So we don't know if it is in the seller's area or buyer's area. So for now, we go to the PCI chart. We'll check the PCI chart yesterday kung ano na pong nangyari ni PCI. So last time we discussed that if the support may broken, then there's a possibility that the level of PCI will go to the next support below. So let us find now the chart. We will see the chart. So yesterday, PCI is down by 1.68%, and there is a current ceiling of 1.25 billion. So let us check the next possible direction of the PCI. So actually this is only my own opinion. So if you see here, there is a gap in this area here. So it means that this area is support area. So we'll remove this one. We will draw a area to make it clear. So this is the last. We'll connect to the so this is the area now we need to see for PCI. So dapat mag-hold si PCI in this area. It is also coinciding with the exponential moving average 200, this green line. So we need to see PCI in that area. Dapat mag-hold si PCI in that area. So for now, my opinion, there's a possibility that PCI will visit again this area. Dapat mag-hold lang si PCI dito. So it will create a double bottom, but we can draw another incline resistance. We'll draw an incline resistance here. We will connect the high. We'll adjust the chart. So this is the incline resistance of PCI. If ever there is a bounce in this area, in case the PCI will go down in this horizontal support area here, if there's a bounce, we need to see this incline resistance and breaking PCI. But if ever hindi na ma-break, then the price will break this area here. This is not good for PCI because it will become a downtrend. So we need to see there is a bounce in this area. Again, we break this incline resistance. So for now, the level of PCI is below the two exponential moving averages, which is AB20 and AB50. So we call it as a trend adjustment. So we need to watch this area here, the support area, if there is a bounce. Dapat mag-hold ng si PCI on that area. So let's go to the one company here. We're going to see this, or let's see. Tingnan natin yung chart ni Ayala lang. Logistic holding. This is the support, incline support of Ayala lang. So in the time I had a line break this incline support, the price is going down even below AMA 50. It's going up to AMA 200, this green line. But there's a bounce in this area, and now the price again is going back about all the exponential moving averages. Now above AMA 50 and 100 and 200. So for me, I need to watch the movement of LHC in this area here. So kung ma-break ni LHC, this horizontal resistance, but then this is the time we need to see, because if ma-break na itong next resistance above again, this is the next possible direction of LHC. So but for currently, LHC is still okay. We can draw an incline resistance again as support in this area here. We can connect it here. So for now, this line now is no longer be valid. So we'll remove it. So we'll draw an incline support. We'll connect the lows. Okay. So if you have a position for LHC, you need to see this incline support na hindi ma-break ni LHC. So especially if LHC will go up above in this area here, above this horizontal support, a resistance. So we will extend this line here. So for me, if I have a position, I will wait and see this incline support na hindi ma-break ni LHC. If ever LHC will going up and is going sideways, I need to see this area here above on this horizontal resistance. There is accumulation in this area, because if there's accumulation, there's a possibility that this horizontal resistance above will break in LHC. But for now, let us focus first the current location of LHC. So we need LHC to hold this horizontal support, this line. And provided that this incline support still mag-hold yung price ni LHC. So for now, my general opinion for LHC is still okay for me, unless this incline support na hindi ma-break ni LHC. So next one, I will we'll see at Jim what happened to this. So first Gen Corporation. Now first Gen is continue going up. We can draw an incline support. We'll connect all the lows. Okay. This is the support. There's a bounce here. And also this one we can adjust this line here. Okay. Now this area is the support, and here this also a bounce here. So this line now is the support line of F. So for the horizontal support, here there is a uh, bounce in this area, and the price is still holding in this area. So this area here is support, horizontal support. So now, for me, if you have a position for Ipchen, you need to watch this horizontal support and inclined support maintain a break knee Ipchen in this area. Because kung ma-break ni Ipchen, of course, possible we will go to next moving average which is to 100, this orange line. So for me, we need to see this inclined support and horizontal support now, 90 break mean FG. So the current price still above the this inclined support. So above also AME 50, this red line. So this is my general opinion for FGen. We need to watch this horizontal support and break me FGen and this inclined support. So it's clear that this is the strong inclined support of First Gen Corporation. But if ever ma-break ni FGen itong support, then we call it as a trading adjustment because it will go below the two exponential moving averages, which is 20 and 50. So here, you see monthly is still below zero now. So we need to see if there's a crossover of the monthly, the blue line, to the red line. And also the ADX is below 25. So based on the price action, as I said, it wants always this incline support of FG. So next one we have to say is there's a one here in RSGI. So this is the chart of MRSGI, Micro Retail Stock Group. So now, if you see the price of MRSGI, it is now below all the exponential moving averages. So this is now called as downtrend. So if your position for MRSGI, you need to see this horizontal support and then break me MRSGI because possible it will go down again to this area. This is the next line we need to see for MRSGI. But for now, if you want to buy, for me, I need to wait if there is a bounce in this area. And if there's a bounce, this is only a quick play, and a break it on horizontal support, then I will go outside or go except because it is now a downtrend. So we don't want to be aggressive for buying shares, especially it is in a downtrend condition. So for me, I need to watch always if the price will go back above all the exponential moving averages. So if you see price action of MRCGI since IPO still is in a downward movement. So hindi pa rin siya still it did not break this inclined resistance. So if you see here, it is a very strong inclined resistance of MRSGI. So still there is a downtrend. It's going in a downward movement. So we need to wait if MRSGI will go back above all the exponential moving averages, and most especially it will break this strong incline resistance. So still it did not break this line. So we need to take care of by the shares of the companies if it is in a downward movement. So you can play, but only a bounce play. But don't stay for a long time because we know already that this is not in a downward movement. So if we take, for example, if there's a bounce in the support, then we can sell it in the resistance area. But if you want to wish to buy now, as I said, just wait. Still, there's no bullish pattern created for MRSGI now. So for me, I will always see the price, as I said, above all the exponential moving averages. So we need to see and monitor the next movement of MRSGI, especially if this incline resistance and will break the MRSGI. But for now, I did not say the good factor for MRSGI. Shout out to Lone Salabi. Thank you for your support. Thank you very much. Now it's another one. We have CLI. This is the request last time. We will check if nag-hold ba yung support ni CLI, so Cebu Land Masters. So yesterday, as we discussed several times, that we need to see and watch this incline support, the CLI, na hindi mag-break. So yesterday, he break this horizontal resistance. So for now, we need to watch this horizontal resistance if there's a pullback in this area. Whenever CLI will go up and there's a retracement in this area because this will become a support because this is a strong resistance. If you see here, there are 5 times that this area is rejected. The price is rejected. So this is a strong resistance, horizontal resistance of CLI. But there is a breakout yesterday of that line, but we need to see the monthly. Where is the monthly now? Monthly is crossing the red line. But we see here that the ADX is below 25. So it means we need to watch the next resistance of CLI if there is a rejection. So if there's a rejection on that area, of course, if you buy it in the bottom, you can sell it or take your profit. For me, I will take profit in the next resistance line. So for me, this is the next resistance area of CLI. This is the 52-week high of CLI. But if ever this horizontal resistance ay babalik yung price, no? If the price would go back on this horizontal resistance below of this line, so we need to take care because it is a sign of the loss of momentum. If ever the price of CLI will go back below on this horizontal resistance. So dapat mag-stay lang yung price ni CLI on the top. So, but there is a possibility that CLI will go up to the next resistance line above. So we need to watch in that area because still the EDX is below 25. So thank you very much, Lawrence Salabi, to Kyle ACAS. Thank you. We'll see next one is MRC. We'll see MRC. MRC yesterday is up by 5.88%, but still below the two exponential moving average, the 20 and 50. So still need more volume to push the price going up. We see the EDX, it is below 25 and the MACD is below the 0 now. So still we need more volume or aggressiveness of the buyer to push the price going up. But if you see based on the indicator here, even the RSI is still below 50 and EDX is 16.44 and MACD is below the 0 line. So it is in the corrective thrust. So for me, my general opinion for MRC, still I will wait if the price will go up above the all exponential moving averages. And this is the time I need to see if there is a pattern created in this area. So because still it is in the corrective thrust or trend and adjustment because it is below the exponential moving average 50 and 20. So if ever the price will go down, we need to watch always this incline support, this dotted line. But if you have a position now, just wait and hold. If this horizontal support, these two horizontal support and break me, MRC. Because if break ni MRC, of course, it will go back to this next support line below, which is corresponding with the exponential moving average 200. So we'll see if there's a breakup of this resistance line. So for me, as I said, the general opinion, I will wait the price will go back above all the exponential moving averages. So we'll see another one. We have FDC. We'll see FDC. So Philippine Development Corporation. Now we'll see here that Philippine still in the resistant area, this horizontal resistance. So we need to watch again. We see this is very weak, no? We see MACD is still below the 0 now. So it's the corrective thrust and RSI is still below 50. So we need to wait another price movement of FDC. So we need to watch always now. For me, as I said every time that I need to watch the price go back around all the exponential moving averages. And then it's the time we need to see if there is a bullish pattern created above the that area, above all exponential moving averages. So we'll see another one on welcome. What happened to welcome? So this is the chart of welcome the pattern. Check out to engineer Edwin Bilan and to engineer Ryan Lasaka and engineer General Galbi. Thank you for your support. So this is the movement of welcome. If you have a position for welcome, uh, you buy it in the bottom. So we see this area there. How many times it is re- rejected? No, he did not break this area here. So if you buy it in the bottom, or if you're, it's depending on your style, because if it is a long-term investing, or so you can buy more if the price will drop here in the bottom line of the channel. If your goals is investing, but if your goals is trading, but with trading, so for me, I will watch this AB20, this blue line. It will break down the welcome. For example, if you buy here in the bottom, this horizontal support line here, and if the price going back below the AB20, of course, for me, I will take some of my profit because there's a possibility that the price will hit again this incline support. For those who don't have any position, I will wait. No? If there is a pullback on this horizontal support, which is corresponding with the exponential moving average 50, this red line, I will wait if there's a pullback here or if there is a breakout of this horizontal resistance. Because still, how many days in a year, how many weeks the price still did not break this horizontal resistance. So if ever ma-break ni Welcome, there's a possibility that they will reach again to the previous high in this area here. This is the high level of welcome around last February 2020. So we need to watch if there's a breakout of the horizontal resistance. We'll see ABA. So, and the trading will start 9:30 in the morning. So now we discussed this ABA before. Now it's reaching this horizontal support. It is now hitting the AB20. So we need to see if you have a position for ABA, just see if there is a breakout of this horizontal support. But if there's a bounce, then it's good for ABA. You need to watch this resistance line here. If there is a rejection, if ever, the price will go up in this area. But if ever this horizontal support and a break, then we need to be aware because it is very deep, no? We need support line below. Even the EMA 50, it is very far from this current position of AMA. So we need to watch always this horizontal support na hindi mag-break na yan. Lon Salabi, thank you. And Kyle ACAS, thank you very much. So we'll see another one, C. What happened to CLC Logistic? Shout out to Francis Amparo, Kate Jason, John Marching, Rob Levin Morano, Vinard Castro, Well Lubno, Ivan David Wakiri, and King Demilius and Dave Mayapan. To Manny Davis, to also thank you. To Iki Bordado and Christian Earl Amlug, and to Jonathan Uhu. Thank you very much. Now we see here, this is the support line of C. Now when the price visiting on this area, there's a bounce. Again, here there is a short bounce after the AB 50 or this horizontal resistance line, but still it is rejected. Currently, the price is breaking this incline support already. Horizontal support, minor horizontal support. Then need to see if there's a pullback on this horizontal line, this area. So there's a possibility that the price will go back on this horizontal support. But take note, it is now become a downtrend. So don't be aggressive for buying C unless the price will go up again above all the exponential moving averages. So if ever the price will go up above again on this incline support, then it's good for C. But if not, you need to be aware and watch another price movement of C. Take note, C now is in a downtrend. So we need to wait another price movement of C. We'll see ASIN. AC Energy Corporation. Shout out to Coach Barcos and Elis Perito, to Engineer Peter Dominic, and Engineer Eric Ramontat, and Engineer Cassius Salvaron, and to Engineer Larry Amogus. Thank you very much. ASIN is still good for now because the inclined support still is above on this area. And now is above AB 20. But if you want to buy ASIN, for me, I will wait if there is a breakout of this horizontal resistance or if there is a retracement in the support line below. For me, it is in the half of this. Uh, you can see minor support you can draw here. So if ever ASIN will stay above on this support, this line, this is a good area we need to watch for ASIN if we will stay above on this line. If you have a position for ASIN, for me, you need to see this line na hindi ma-break ni ASIN, this horizontal support. Kasi kung ma-break ni ASIN, then possible we will go back to this next support line below and this inclined support. So if there is a accumulation or there is a sideways movement of ASIN in this area, so this is good. We need to watch this horizontal support. And if you have position, but if you don't have position, wait if there's a pullback on this area. And if there's a breakout. So for general conclusion, isn't still okay. So still above the inclined support. So it's depend if you are a daily trader or long-term investor. Now we will see another one. We have Vulcan. What happened to Vulcan? So still 3 minutes. Market will start. Now yesterday Vulcan is up by 8.98%, and now the projected opening is 355. But for me, this is not the area we need to buy. So we can draw a horizontal support here, this area. Dapat mag-hold lang si Vulcan on this area. Draw another one. Dapat mag-stay yung price ni Vulcan above on this horizontal area. But for now, if you want to buy, my advice, this is not the right time to buy. We need to wait if there is a pullback of the price in this horizontal area and there's a pattern created above on this horizontal area. So if you want to buy now, no, it's not a good time. You need to watch more price movement of Vulcan. You need to wait, especially if there is a pattern created above this line. But provided that this horizontal support or horizontal area ay hindi ma-break ni Vulcan. Because now if you see, moving averages is very far. So this is my general opinion for Vulcan. We need to wait this horizontal support na mag-holding price and there is a bullish pattern or a pattern created above this area provided that this area ay hindi mag-break ni Vulcan. Thank you, Lon Salabi, for your support for this again. Now, 9:30, the market will start. So we'll see the chart of PCI. Now it's already 9:30. PCI. So we'll replace the chart. So we'll replace natin yung chart ni PCI. So I hope there is only I think for PCI. So thank you, Lons, for your support. So we need to see the chart or PCI chart. So i-request na natin. Press the Instagram. Thank you, Lons. Thank you very much. Regards to Maribel and William, no? Thank you. My classmates, no? Shout out to Ronald Ponsalan and Salve de la Peña, to Engineer Berlin Magno and to Federico Paulino, Engineer Victor Pinat. Let's see the Instagram chart. Yes, classmate ko po William at si Maribel, saka si Maricel. Gumagana yung chart. Titingnan natin. Si Instagram. Tingnan natin yung chart natin. Ha? Uwi na tayo sa ating loans, no? Lista na. Napit na. focus na po yung chart. So I will share it again to you. PSEI. Oh, punta kayo sa amin, Lons. Oh, pista. Okay, we'll share it again. The chart. So PCI is up by 0.27%. But for me, this is not enough to push this level of PCI going up again. So we'll see. If we can draw the incline support, we'll connect this area. So we need to see this incline support. It's still weak, no? As I said, PCI is below the zero line. Mark this zero line, so the momentum is not strong. So here there is you see the active gainers or most active top gainers and top losers. So as of now, ASEN and D2 is down by 0.34, MBT 0.59, EPL, FNI and nickel. BEC is up by 25. But here in the top gainers, uh, REG is up by 13. Or Mark, PBGI, ASIC. But the loser here is now again R and OB. So what happened to this OB is still loser and weeb. Now see Vulcan. We see Vulcan now here in the top loser. Is down by 3.41%. We'll try to see Vulcan. So we need to watch always the support and resistance is very much important. See, this is the one we discussed now. But still there is a time because the trading time is up to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But for me, this is not the right time to buy for Vulcan. You need to see this support line, as I said. There is a pattern created on this area above this line, provided that this support line did not break the Vulcan. So if you buy the price of Vulcan in the opening, of course, you need to wait if the price will going up again. So we'll see another one. ER, what happened to ER? This is the stock. It's very volatile stock. Now Metro Bank again is down. So if you see ER now, we need to see again if ER will go back to this incline support. Now it's below the incline support, but still above the AMA 50. So our last chance here, this AMA 50, if mag-holding price na AMA 50. But we need to see it after the or before the closing time, trading time. But for now, we cannot see because still there is a time remaining. Maybe we're going up again or we will break the same 50. So just watch after or around 12:45, you can estimate how much the closing price of ER. But currently as 9:43, still above the ME 50. But if ever the ER will break the ME 50 during the closing period, of course, we call it as the trend-in adjustment. So we need to wait another price movement of ER. Now another one here we'll see. So now corporation is still in the support, but below all exponential moving averages. So we'll see now what happened. We're hoping that the chart now is okay. So still now, see if the movement of now, we need to see this horizontal support kung mag-hold. But if this one ay may-break ni now, so it is not good for now. But take note, it is in a downtrend now because it is below all the exponential moving averages. So we need to avoid focusing on the stock that is in a downtrend. You can take profit here if there's a bounce of the support up to this bottom line of the horizontal channel, this inclined channel. If there's a rejection, of course, you can take profit. But don't stay here because it is in the downtrend. PHE, ordinary PHE, is down by 1.9%. So ABA is up by okay, now PHC is in the above maybe 20, but there is now a resistance in this area. So you need to see this horizontal resistance ay ma-break ni PHC. Okay, because here it is rejected, so it means this is a resistance. Supposedly he will nag-hold siya dito sa area na ito yung line, but he break it yesterday. And now, still okay because still above the mid-20. So we need to see if the price of PHA will not go up below mid-20. If, if the price will close below mid-20, we need to watch this horizontal support and then break the PHA and this incline support. So how many days now? There are 6 days. PHA is in red candle when he hit the previous area, the highest area, previous high. So it's going up, and then now 6 days it is red. So we need to see the price of PC will not close below the ME20. Thank you, Lance. Thank you for your busy dyan. No? Thank you very much. We'll see another one. What happened to Metro Bank? Metro Bank is up by how many percent yesterday? This is the driven by the news, no? There's a news for the financial sector, no? Yesterday. That's the reason the Metro Bank is jumping above on this incline resistance. So now he's trying to retest this incline resistance because it will become support. This is strong resistant line. It's a very strong resistant line of Metro Bank. And yesterday there's a gap up, and, and there are a lot of people also taking profit because when you see the candle, there's a rejection. There's a long wick, and now he's trying to retest this incline support. So if you draw an horizontal support, you can draw here. This is the highest. This is the highest area here. So nag-retest lang yung price ni Metro Bank. But for now, wait for me. Just wait another movement of Metro Bank. Just wait because when we retest, there is a big gap, no? So just wait. You will see the next movement of Metro Bank. But for those who buy in this area here, it's good. No? But for the new one now, it's because it's going up. We need to wait another price movement of Metro Bank. We'll see. What happened to you see Wilco now is going down. We'll see MM. CMM. MM is going up also. Shout out to Patricia Shasat and Patricio Santiago and Islamuddin Tuyeb Ali, Tariq Abdullah Sheikh and Gulfam Jabbar Kapari. Now MM is above MA20, but we need to see another confirmation candle for MM. But overall, MM is still okay because it's above this incline support. So we need to see this movement of MM. But if you want to buy MM, just wait. Just wait. If you have a position at the bottom, so it's okay. But if you want to buy now, we need to wait. Maybe he will break this ME20. So if ME20 and a break, then of course he will go back to this incline support below. We need to see if there's a breakout of this horizontal resistance. So it's only important in the stock market, the support and resistance. Let's see about EPL. We will see EPL is down by 1.75%. So this company also one of the companies going up the previous month. Now is going down. And PHA now is in the resistance area. This is the one we discussed before that there's a possibility that it will hit near this incline dotted line. This is the resistance area. So, but for now, it is resistant. It's horizontal resistant. So, you need to be aware of buying. So now you need to buy always in the support. Don't be aggressive if the price is in the resistance area. So, this is the important reminders that we need to buy always and check in the support area, not in the resistance area. Because if you buy it, of course, it will be if there's a retracement, we will see the RSI. RSI is still not overbought. So we need to see the okay. So this is the right time here. This area is here. There's the pullback and there's the uh, accumulation or nag-hold po yung price ni EPL on this horizontal support corresponding with the exponential moving average 20. So this is the area or this is the area we need to watch for, not this area now. It is in the resistance area. But if ma-break to, then it's good for the one who buy in the bottom. So about the one will see the one who has the top losers. Uh, we will see SSP. What happened to the SSP? It's down by 5.92%. Megawide also is down. CLI is up now. So this is the one we discussed already. CSI, CLI. HSP is going fallback. So we need to see next price movement of SSP. Okay, don't be aggressive now. It's very far from MA 20 below line. Wait if there is a replacement on this area for SSP. So this is only my thoughts for this is my personal opinion, but it depends on your strategy. If you are daily traders, of course, you will do it and you will reduce it in the time frame to 5 minutes or 3 minutes. GME7 is up. We will see what happened with GME7. There is accumulation of GME7 in the previous months. And this is the area we need to see. See, in this area, there is accumulation. This is the area we need to watch, not this area now. So it is the support here. So it is very far from the support. So we need to see another movement. If there's a retracement of GME7. Provided, of course, if this resistance ever break, then it's good for people who buy in the bottom. So in this area here, there's accumulation from December 7 up to January, February 3. So supposedly this is the area we need to watch for GB7. Next one is tech. There's a request tech. So the BGI, shout out to France number one, Merlin Pania, Gary Carmona, Arlen Bruno, Chuyam Ku, Dan Andre Gonzaga Sabalo, and Diana Cortez, to Rowan Nolan Demelio. Thank you to Edwin, Engineer Edwin Vergara, and to Gilbert Austria, Dennis Kamaya, James Nicole. Thank you for your support. Still, tick, you see the movement of tick here, still below the two moving averages. So we need to watch if the price will go up again above the exponential moving average. All exponential moving averages, especially will break this incline resistance. And still, he did not break this area. Last January 11, he's trying to break it, but it is only a post breakout. So the price is going back again. So we need to watch take on this horizontal support if ever the price will go back again on this area. So this is the time we need to watch. But for now, don't be aggressive for take. Wait for the retracement, or if there is a breakout of this incline resistance, this line. Video is down. Frame home also. We will see home. What's the price movement of home? So load. Thank you, Lon Salabi, for your support. So CLOD also is up AGI, nickel. Okay, now home is in the corrective uh, trend in adjustment now because it's below the two exponential moving averages. So we need to watch home in this area here. You see, what is it like on this area? It's corresponding with the exponential moving average 20, 200, and 100. But for now, don't be aggressive. Wait if the price will hit again on this area. Or the price will go back above all the exponential moving averages. But for now, but it does not mean the price will go up above all exponential moving averages that it is okay. We need to watch if there is a pattern created above on that area, above all exponential moving averages. We need to see if there is a pattern created. But for now, wait here, this bottom line, horizontal support, or in the EMI 200. If there is a bounce in this area. But for now, malayo pa po sa dito sa may area na ito. So wait for another opportunity for home. CHP also is down. Let us see CHP. So we will keep on monitoring the support and resistance. If you see CHP, it is in the incline resistant area. Okay, wait if there's a breakout. Again, the same. I always mention that we need to see if the price will go back above all the exponential moving averages. Now you see the line here, moving averages. It's very napaka-skip po yung area. So it will act also as a resistance. So it's better break this incline resistance and the price will go up above the exponential moving averages. And this is the time we need to see if there is a pattern play. Next one is there is Ayala Land. What happened to Ayala Land? To Ali. GGS, Meralco is up as of now. Ayala Land is up by 0.39%. So this is the previous discussion. So again, still, I want for me this area above this area. So, but this is the incline support. Just watch if this incline support and hindi mag-break ni Ayala Land. This line here. You need to see if this incline support and hindi mag-break ni Ayala Land. But it is now in trend adjustment because it is below the exponential. Moving average is 50 and 20. So we need to see this incline support and hindi mag-break ni Ali. Because kung ma-break yan possible, it will go back to the midway 200. It will create a double bottom here. Just monitor no and wait. Because most of the stock now is retracing. Uh, it is far from the support. So you need to watch if the price will hitting the support area. So if IP is the top losers 14.59, followed by ARA, mid EFI. So as of 10:03, still there is a time because the trading is going will end up to 1 o'clock. So pure gold, you will see pure gold. What happened to pure gold? See P gold. See RF is up by it's up also up to as of now. So pure gold again it is a downtrend. Wait on this support area here. Okay, don't be aggressive for especially the companies in the downtrend. So we don't want to be aggressive. Need to find where is the support. If there is a bounce, then need to see where is the next resistance. If there is a rejection. So I think I will end up now. I will take another one. And the last one is D2. No? We'll see D2, the next the price movement of D2. Okay, D2 is still in the resistance area. Okay, wait if there's a breakout or the pullback of this incline support. So just wait. There's a breakout for it. So before I go, I will shout out to the viewers, Kyle ACAS, Engineer Edwin Bilan, to Lone Salabi. Thank you for your support. And if you have comments about the stock market, just put your comments in the comments box. And we will discuss how to earn money in the stock market. So that's all for today, and we will take care always. And God bless us always also.